Hello, my name is Nathan. They call me Nene. What is your name?
My name is EC Love Animals. I did hear that you had problems with Data Devlin Palmpusen.
Yes, I had problems with him too. He keeps calling me out with my bullshit that I pull. You know, EC, you are the first girl to come in my room.
Well, thank ya, Nathan. I don't likes that person either. He don't understands me at alls.
Yes, I want to rule YouTube and get rid of pagans, Satanists, and anyone who does not agree with my by false flagging. Are you with me?
Yes, even spouse I am's Wiccan I wills helps you.
Even though I think that Wiccans are evil, I will help you, since you are a female and willing to help me.
Yes, I wills helps yous, even though I is disagreeing with you, but I am's horny. I haven't gotten any in a long times.
Okay, I'm horny, also I'm a virgin. I stay in my room all day and masturbate.
Yes, since we are helping each others I will have sex with you, Nathan. I has a smelly hairy cunt. Still wanna fuck?
Yes, sure, EC, I wanna have sex with you.
Okay, Nathan, let's have some rough and kinky sex. Pulls down your pants.
Okay, EC, damn it, I came.